Google just rolled out a major December update for the Pixel Watch 4, one that makes using your smartwatch easier, faster, and surprisingly more intuitive. Today, we're breaking down the new hands-free gestures, smarter responses, and everything else Google packed into this update. Let's start with the star of the update, one-handed controls. Google is introducing two new gestures, double pinch and wrist turn, designed for those moments when your hands are full and tapping the display just isn't practical. With double pinch, all you need to do is tap your thumb and index finger together twice. That tiny motion lets you answer and end calls, snooze alarms, pause timers, control your music, take photos, and interact with notifications, all without touching the screen. It's similar to the gesture systems we've seen from Apple and Samsung, but now fully integrated into Google's Pixel Watch experience. The second gesture, wrist turn, gives you a quick way to dismiss incoming calls or silence alerting notifications. A simple flick outward and back is all it takes. No taps, no swipes, just natural motion. To make these features easier to learn, Google is rolling out gesture hints across Wear OS. These subtle visual cues appear directly over buttons or near the scroll bar to let you know when a gesture is available. And if you're not a fan of prompting, no problem. You can customize how often these hints appear, from daily reminders to seeing them just once. All gesture controls live under Settings, Gestures, Hand Gestures, where you can toggle each one on or off and fine-tune the experience to match your routine. The update doesn't stop at gestures. Google is also enhancing Smart Replies on the Pixel Watch 3 and 4 with a new on-device language model based on Gemma. This upgraded system is twice as fast and nearly 3 times more efficient with memory. That means quicker, more accurate automatic replies right from your wrist without relying heavily on cloud processing. Google has also added a step-by-step tutorial for Raise to Talk, making it easier for new users to activate the assistant simply by lifting their wrist. No screen taps, no buttons, just lift and speak. So, with smarter gestures, faster replies, and improved hands-free controls, the Pixel Watch 4 just became a lot more convenient to use. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.